Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Shafali and today I'm going to share with you my skincare regime which I follow every 15 days. Yes, that's right. Not every week, not every alternate day, but after every 15 days. This is especially for all those women who are too busy to take care of their skin like me, but manages to help their lazy bum once every 15 days and work on their skin. So basically this video is going to be so much fun because I'm going to use all the stuff that is already available at your home. Something very quick for a lazy bee like me and something very easy. So I'm pretty sure whatever I'm going to show you today would already have been followed by some of you women out there, but that should not be the reason to dislike this video because there's a lot more and probably some of the things you would not have been using. So watch this video till the end, and if you have truly liked watching it, please go ahead, like this video, subscribe my channel. And so as I told you, this is going to be pretty simple. To begin with, I'm going to clean my face. I generally use rose water to clean my face. If that's not available, I pour in some of the tea that I have been sipping and on the cotton bud, of course, and clean my face with that because tea, any kind of tea, especially green tea as well as hibiscus and blue tea, have a lot of antioxidants, and hibiscus tea apparently has vitamin C also, so that's excellent for your skin. It helps to get rid of free radicals and it removes the dirt or any pollution accumulated on your skin. I'm already feeling thirsty. थोड़ा पियो, थोड़ा लगाओ. Bad joke, as always. So the next step is going to be exfoliation. For me, I have a lot of blackheads on my nose and some of them on my chin also. So I don't know if you are able to see. There's a lot. So exfoliation process is pretty simple. I have just taken coconut oil and common salt. That's all. These two ingredients I'm going to take and I'm going to scrub my face. If you do not have coconut oil, do not worry, just use ghee or any oil that you have been using. The idea is to scrub your face and keep it moisturized while doing that. So just scrub it gently. So I'm sure all of you know that exfoliation is very important for our skin because it helps it to get rid of dead skin cells. So my face is almost done. I'm going to exfoliate my lips also now. Now wash it off and pat it dry with a towel, a soft towel. So next I'm going to rub this half-cut tomato on my face. Tomato is apparently high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which apparently helps you to get rid of any pigmentation, as I already told you, and sun tanning if you may have. So just 1 minute for this process also. I'm going to wash my face and come back. While my face is already a little wet, I have taken this wet towel. I'm going to press my nose a little, and that too in upwards direction. This way my blackheads would be pulled out on their own and I'll be able to remove them very easily. So as you can see, they have all come upwards. It's a little painful process, but it's all worth it. I'm going to wipe them now. See. Next in line is something we all have been using. Our mothers, grandmothers have literally vouched for it. Yes, you guessed it right. Gram flour, curd and turmeric. That's all. A simple concoction, easy to use, but works wonders on your skin. Mix it up. दही, बेसन और हल्दी, बस. Just smoothing it a little. So since my pores were already open, it's going to work very well on my face right now, because the concoction would go deeper in my skin and would heal it from there. Turmeric is an excellent antibiotic and helps to elevate any kind of acne or scars on your face. Curd is an excellent moisturizer, nourishes your skin, and last but not the least, crown flower or the basin helps to exfoliate or cleanse your skin. So I'm going to keep this out for 20 minutes only, or if it dries up before that, I'll wash it off. That's all. So I have come to the last second step of my regime. I have taken a cube of ice here. I'm going to rub it all over on my face. It really works to close your open pores. It also works on your wrinkles if you have at all. It tones up your face also. So I'm going to rub it in circular motion. This entire process is so soothing, and of course everything is available at your home, and home remedies always work so good. So I'm drying it with a very soft towel. So I have not applied anything on my face right now, nothing at all, and not even a bit of moisturizer, and you can already see a glow on my face. This is all natural, no filters, nothing. You can see some of my white hair also. I need color touch-ups. So the last step is to moisturize your face. I'm going to use cold pressed coconut oil. I'm not so much into serums, let me tell you very honestly. And so good for your skin. If you are following me, you must have noticed that I have already made a video on this where I have selected 3 best cold pressed coconut oils for you. So I'm done here. So I'm done here, and I truly hope that you liked watching the video as much as I loved sharing it with you. If that's so, please go ahead, subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you receive the notification whenever my new video is on the roll. Also, don't forget to write in your comments. I would love to read them. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.